Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to set the map along with form. So this is one of the part of web design. So before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe. Hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be getting a notification on it. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page. Let's get into the video. So in previous video, we have seen how to set the carousel and integrate it into our website. If you have not yet watched that video, do watch it. So in this video, we'll be seeing how to set this map and add form here. So let's get into the video. So here, so this was a section 4. Let's tell this as section 5. Okay, now add container. So this is going to be similar, guys. So what I am going to do is I'll just copy it, which I have done in previous video. So copy, paste, and add one more closing div tag and align it properly. So done. Instead of category item, we have to give here get in touch. So let's copy this get in touch and paste it here. So this touch was in red color. So cut that touch and paste it inside span tag. Go back and reload this page. So here you get in touch. So the next thing is that we have to divide this container into two parts. You can see that one we have the map which we have set, and the other thing is that we have one form, right? So to do that, what we have to do is we have to create column of 6 and 6. So here let us go close this div now. This div is completely done now. I mean not the container, just the row. So after this row, just create another row and tell column md6. Okay, so we want two column of md6, so create another column md6 where this column md6 will have the map and this will have the location and this will have the form, right? So first we'll see how to do this location. Go to Google Maps. So we are going with Google Maps and click on the first link. So from Google Maps, which place you want or which location you want to select, just type. So for example, I'm going to type Bangalore. So Bangalore, I've got the location. I've got few things here. It has directed me. Okay. So here what you have to do is click on the share button. When you click on the share button, you will have two things. One is send a link, which is that we have to copy this link and send to some other person. So the other thing is that you have embed a map. Click on that and you will get a iframe here. You will get a iframe here. So we have to copy this HTML. So here, if you want to customize your size from here itself, so here this is a HTML tag. So here it is given medium. When I click on small, it becomes small. So here itself you can customize it. You can customize the height and width. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy this small or medium. I'll copy the smaller size. So I'll copy the small size and go back to my column MD6 and just paste it here. Done. Now go reload. You got that. Okay, so imagine you have forgotten to customize it, but you can do it here. So here let me give this as 450 and let me tell this as 260 or 259, because why I'm giving that thing is I have to get this rectangular shape. Okay, so that is why I've just given that. You can try with different numbers and you can also check out. So I've reloaded this page. Where is it? So it's getting loading. So it's loading. Let's see the output once after it gets loaded. Now it is connected. Let's reload. So this is the design that is there, which I have got here. You can set the size. The size is width is around 450 and height is around 259. So I'm fine with this, and let's move on to our next column, which is to design the form. For form design, you can go to Get Bootstrap and then just customize that. Go to Get Bootstrap and click on Doc, the latest version. Check for the version as well when you are using Get Bootstrap. And let's type form here. You have got the form. Let's copy this form and customize it. Okay. So I've just copied that form and I'm gonna paste it inside this column MD6. I can use a card also, but I am not going to use a card for now. I just want to show you all the output how it looks, and then later I'll use a card. So this is the form without card design. If you want card, you'll get it in this way. Okay, we'll just add a card there. So here inside this column MD6, add a card, tell card and card body. For this card, if you want, you can add a shadow so it looks nice. Let me add a shadow. And this form, just cut it and paste it here. Save this and now go and reload. You have got this. So this is a card which is nice, but then if you don't want this and if you want this exact design, you can do that. So here why it is big is we don't require all these things. Let me just go design that accordingly. Before that, let's make this contain, the row a little bit down. So let us go here and add margin top 3 and give margin bottom also 3. Let's go reload. So I think it's perfect. Now here we have to customize few things, that is that I don't require all this, and here it was name, phone number and email. Button was missing here, but we will be adding button here, which is submit. So we'll change this things. Okay, we'll add a placeholder. I don't require this. I'm just cutting that from that form, and I don't require this ID and all for now. So placeholder, let's tell email, right? Enter your email. Okay, and then here you have is the email. Make sure the type is email, and let's copy paste this once again. Okay, here it is not going to be email, it is going to be text because we are taking input from the user. It is text. Email, when you give type as email, it will ask the particular format of email. Okay, so that is the difference. So here let's tell enter the username and let us change the label to username. And here we have the password. We don't require the password actually, and we don't require the checkbox, so I am just deleting this and I'll paste this once again. Here I will be entering the phone number, so I'm just telling number, and here let's change this to phone number, and here we have one submit button, so enter your mobile number. So that's it. Let's go reload. If you don't want the card shadow, you can just remove that. So let's see if it is nice, we'll keep, else we'll remove. Increase the height of it. That's it. Let's increase the height a little bit. Let us go here and inspect and increase. So that would be fine. So let's set the height accordingly. Inspect. So here is my iframe. Okay. Here is my iframe. You can see properly iframe. Let me add the height. 1 pixel. It is not at all seen, right? So when I increase, keep increasing. So this is CSS styling, right? It just increased. So I wanted to stop here. So this is fine, I guess. Yeah, this is fine. So what I'll do is I'll set the height with this 230. We'll set it to 330. So go back here, and here you have height attribute, right? Set it to 330. 330. Now go again, reload. So you have got the height set. Okay, you have got it exactly. So if you want the width also, you can just adjust accordingly. Sorry, 470. It got a little more. 490. A little more. Let's make it to 520. If 520 is big, you should reduce. So that's how. So I think 520 is fine. This is how you set the map and the form in your website. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys with the next video.